Hello, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Today we're doing a demo of a mod and tune-up for a PC-122 for Dave in Florida. Dave sent the radio to us to have the LC2824 module installed and do a tune-up. And we got the 3-digit display installed. Did the LesComm Deluxe Clarifier mod and broadbanded the radio. It works very well. Like I said, I got the radio upside down now. There's the 3-digit display. You can hardly see the C. The window's kind of small for a 3-digit display, but it will work well. Let's get a shot of the output power. This is on AM. We're on the 50-watt scale. That's that center scale there. Dead key's a little over 2 watts, and audio goes to about 16 or 17 peak. About 16 or 17 peak. That's on 38. That's in the middle of the band. But it's this way on both ends of the band. About 15, 16, 17 watts, somewhere around there on peak. That's on AM. And this is on sideband. Audio, almost 20 watts on sideband for this little radio. But it has actually has a 1969 and a 2166 driver, so the power is really up there where it ought to be. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 test. It performs very, very well. I was really surprised. And we got what I did was set the radio up for 26505 to 28005. Any more than that, the radio just didn't perform like it ought to. When you switched modes, it would lose the lock, the PLL lock, if you went any lower than that. Test 1 2 3 3 2 1. Test audio. Test audio. Now you see over here on the right, we've got the dual color LED, which replaces the single red transmit LED. As long as it's in receive, it stays blue. Key the radio, it goes to red. Let's see, what else do I need to show you here? That's pretty much it. When you're below channel 1, let's dial that down here. Shows you the A channels. When you go below 1, you see that negative sign there that shows you that you're below channel 1. Like I said, it'll go all the way down to 505, which is 44, I believe. Nope, 46, negative 46. Okay, and then it goes back to 28005. Should have had the frequency counter up here on top of it so you could see that. But it's set up to go from 28005 to 26505, or vice versa. 26505 all the way up to 28005. And even at that, you notice when I go from the low channels directly to the high channel, it takes it just a little bit to lock up. But once it locks, it stays. And you know, if you're at the top end of the band going up or coming down, you don't really have that problem. Like if I go from 99 to 005, it's fine. But going from the very lowest channel to the very highest channel, sometimes it takes it a little bit to lock up. Okay? Let's take a look at the modulation. As soon as that the Tektronix gets warmed up. And let's see, which one are we on? We are on channel 2. And I got this thing set on Beam Finder or something. Yeah, there we go. That looks better. Audio test, test audio 1 2 3 3 2 1 audio test. This is on this is what? This is sideband. Audio, nice smooth signal. Let me switch it to AM. Audio test, test audio. Audio 1 2 3 3 2 1 audio test. You can see that looked really good, and that was on 28005. And since I'm on 28005, let's take a look at this. That's on AM. Even on 28005, it still peaks around 10 watts. So this radio works really well. It actually does better down on the lower channels. See, it's up a little bit, about 11 or 12 watts down on the lower channels. But you got plenty of talk power. And the receive is just as good. Alright, well, I'm getting ready to put the covers back on it. And again, that's the LC2824 board for Dave in Florida. This is the mod and tune-up report. Get that wire out of the way there. And there's the 2824 board, if I can get this camera to focus. There we go. Stuck right in there. Just like that. Let's get a shot of it from the back. And it fits right in there. The covers go right on it. There's no external switches. It's just continuous tuning. All the way from -46 to channel 100. About 150 channels. 151 to be exact. Or what? 154. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to put the covers back on it, box it up, and get it out of here. Thanks.